Hello, a very beautiful evening once again. I'm super excited to be doing this evening. Last week we looked at Euro USD and Euro JPY. However, Euro USD did not play out as much as we expected it to, but I'm still on the lookout. I'm still keeping it in perspective, and I'll be doing the same thing for Euro JPY. It's still in perspective. So I'll be adding a little more of these trades. I'll be adding a few more to my watch list for the week. Let's take a quick look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY did a few things, but it has not done what I needed to do, and so I'm not going to take this trade. I might put it on my watch list, but I'm not going to focus so much on this particular trade. So looking at the trades I'm going to be looking at for this week, the 20th of September 2020, I'm going to be looking at GBP USD. 2 weeks ago we caught 400 pips from GBP USD, and something similar is repeating itself, so I will keep an eye on GBP USD. Alright, so at the moment I'm looking at a potential. This was initially where we took it from last week, but looking at the bigger picture, this is what I'm looking at right now for this week. So okay, so I will be looking at this for this week. I go back to my 4 hours, increase screen, and yes, it's doing something almost similar to what it did 2 weeks ago. So I would be looking to take this trade just shortly after it goes beyond this point. Once it goes beyond this point, I'll be looking to take this trade based on my strategy. My risk to reward ratio would be now we'll be targeting this point. I'll be targeting 356 pips, and I will be risking not more than 170 pips. I like at this point to recommend it is important you take the risk management very seriously. It is what will keep you when strategy fails. It's important you take your risk management very seriously. It will keep you when your strategy would fail. Now, I always say it in my videos. I encourage every one of you, please get professional education before you start trading forex. Trading forex can be very expensive. It can equally be mind-blowing, but before you get started, I encourage you to please take proper and right education. All my videos are for tutorial purposes. So a second currency I'll be looking at is USD CAD. I'll be looking at USD CAD, and it has been on my watch list for quite a while. I still think that this particular trade is bullish, and here I'm going to be risking 155 pips to make an average of 7 times of what I'm risking. So again, I will be waiting for price to move above this my zone. Once I see that happen, I will take my trade. So I wish you all a very enjoyable week, a very blessed week, and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video for more videos. Thank you very much and do have a beautiful week.